Hi guys, let's talk about the history of Bengaluru. Bengaluru is currently the fastest growing city in the world. Bengaluru is also known as the Silicon Valley of Asia. During independence, the population of Bengaluru was only 7 lakhs. As of 2024, the population of Bengaluru is around 1.4 crores. Bengaluru contributes to 40% of Karnataka's GDP and around 4% to India's GDP. The first ever mention of Bengaluru was found in an inscription at Begur. Written in Haleganada, it talks about Bengaluru Kadana or Battle of Bengaluru. At that time, Bengaluru was part of Ganga dynasty and it was known as Bengavaluru, which translates to the city of gods. The actual development of Bengaluru starts in the period of Vijayanagara Empire. Kempegowda, who was the feudal lord of Bengaluru, built a mud fort in Bengaluru in 1537. He divided Bengaluru into two petes or markets as Chickpete and Dodpete.